In this video, I will show you how to remove saved login info on Facebook. So the first step is to simply open the Facebook app and then simply go to menu. So simply tap on the menu button and then simply go to your settings. Now here, what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on account center, and then you're gonna have to simply scroll down and tap on password and security. Now, once you tap on password and security, what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down, and as you can see, you have here where you're logged in. So simply tap on that, and then you're gonna have to select your Facebook account again. Now here you're gonna see your current device, and then here you're gonna see other devices where you're logged in with this Facebook account. So if you want to remove those devices, you're gonna have to tap on select devices to log out, and then you're gonna have to select those. If you want, you can select all of them at once, and then simply tap on log out, and that's it. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.